Happy weekend, happy weekend. This is Adrian. This video, guys, I'm going to show you how I create my capture page with my system, the Conversion Pros. Excellent system. Let me show you something real quick. Just today, 12:56. Adrian, congratulations. Middle Social has joined your team. Just got another lead. Also, guys, that you can see the leads is our 11 this day right here, 3, 3, 7. So they coming in, guys. People joining this opportunity because you will make money. But anyway, guys, let me show you how I start my creation. First thing I did was don't put the title in the page name. I wrote my ad copy right here and right here. And then what I did was to get the picture. I went to tinypit.com. It's free, guys. So that's how I got my picture right there. It's very easy to add a picture. Just click on edit, type the image URL, and you get the from Tiny Pit. This is the URL right here. Okay. All right, guys. Now, next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change this right here to a black shade a little bit. Let me see. All right, a little bit more. Let me see. Yeah, okay, cool, right there. All right, then I'm gonna get a background image, guys. Something slick. Look at the city one time. And we got different background image, guys, that you can pick from. No, I'm gonna try homes. Let's try homes. Okay, click on homes. Just different pictures, guys. Let me see. Let's look. And you can center it the way you want it by just clicking these arrows, but it's pretty much good center right here. Okay, let's just try a different color once. Let's try. And you could change the shade by this right here. Okay, let's try green. Green is kind of slick. This is how you play with the capture page, guys. Okay, that's look kind of cool right there because I got the shadow like it's green leaves and stuff up there. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna change the text. I'm gonna bring it down so I can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna try yellow. So this theme would be, and then what I'm gonna do is text shadow, make it a little darker. Bring this right here. Okay. Then I want to bring the size a little bit down. All right, that's good right there. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look at the fonts. I mean, it's pretty a good font right here, but let's just see Arial Black. This is how you make a capture page, guys. Okay, that's right there, good. Okay. And then what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna go to right here. I'm gonna style this right here. Bring it down a little bit. Okay, and then what I'm gonna change this text is to white. Okay, I'm gonna also change the font to Arial Black. Okay, then I'm going to text shadow. Make it a little bit darker, a little bit like that. Let's see, run thing. Okay. Now I'm gonna put a little spread on it also, guys. Go back to text, make it a little bit smaller. And then stop editing. This right here, I'm just gonna delete this right here. Okay. Make sure you save your work, guys, just in case anything happens. Okay. Learn how to make 1,000 plus a week for free. No credit card required to start earning 1,000 a week for free. Okay, I'm gonna do a little twist. Now check this out right here, guys, what you can do. Okay. Just highlight that right there. Change the color. Bring it out a little bit. Like that. Now I'm gonna do the same thing down here. Highlight it. I gotta edit it first, I guess. Okay, highlight it. Change the color again to red right here. Okay. Start editing. See how easy this, guys, is. Save my work real quick. Then what I'm gonna do, guys, is style this button up. I'm gonna make it background, make it red. So I have a little more red in there. Okay, choose. Okay, box shadow. Bring it like that, okay. Okay, let me save this real quick. Next thing, guys, I wanna change the content. Yeah. Okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and erase this right here. And quit. Okay. Then I'm gonna erase this right here. Okay. Click save. Might make the button a little bit bigger. Right. Okay, stop, save. All right, see how fast that was, guys? I'll say less than like 9 minutes. All right, menu. And this is the capture page right here, guys. Right here. Right here. Well, I'm gonna erase this right here too. Okay. Now this is the capture page I just made, and it will go to this page right here, guys. So this is the capture page. Picture showing money. Learn how to make 1,000 plus a week for free. About $1,000 right here. No credit card required to start earning $1,000 a week for free. Name, email. Click here, guys. This is the Conversion Pros, guys. It's 7 days for free, no credit card required. So if you want this system guide, and you can start making cool capture pages like this in less than 9 minutes, I'll leave all the information below this video, guys. All right, take care and happy weekend, guys. All right.